got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about trusting. What's love?
Got to do with it, baby.
What's love? It should be
What's up, Parents Gang? Alright, so today, as y'all can see, we got some special guests and we making slime, y'all. We gonna do boys versus girls. Right, y'all?
Yeah. So we bought these slime kits from Target. So we got the, what is it?
Wait. Before we get into the video, what y'all gotta do?
You
Y'all already
have
know.
to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and give this video a big fat like.
A thumbs up. Y'all already know.
Alright, y'all. So like I was saying, so we got the pastry slime, and you guys have which one?
Glow in the dark.
It's glow in the dark. So they have the glow in the dark slime. Alright, so I never made slime before. Danielle's never made slime before. Have you guys made
I
slime?
have.
We didn't even tell y'all who our special guests
Oh,
are.
right. We didn't
though.
let them introduce themselves.
So introduce yourselves to Harris Gang. Y'all gotta introduce yourselves.
My name is Nani.
Alright, we got Nani. Who
My
else?
name is Derek.
And y'all already know Pepe, right?
She gonna do it herself, man.
Oh, okay. Alright, come Pepe, introduce yourself.
My name is Peyton.
Alright, Pepe.
Alright, y'all, so let's get into it.
I'm Sydney.
Alright, y'all. Alright, open it.
Alright, so the girls go first. Open our slime kit, Pepe.
No, we open them together, right?
Alright. So we got a special slime kit. I think ours is like a
Get a knife, babe.
a sweet slime kit.
But it's not edible, though.
Yeah. I made slime before with the slime today, guys. That Santa got me.
We're gonna butter knife for y'all. And butter knife for us. I think our slime gonna be better. Comment down below if y'all on team girl or team boy.
Period.
Y'all already know team girl gonna win because they got me on their team. Period. Right?
Alright, y'all.
Okay.
That's my little nephew. He think he gonna win, y'all. Baby Derek. So in our slime kit, let me show y'all. We got purple. We got yellow, blue, and they gave us some brown, y'all.
Yeah, and they gave us 2 mixing cups, so we can share.
Yeah, so we got 2 mixing cups. We got some beads. And as y'all can see, we over here sharing 2 chairs. Our table only got 4 chairs, so I'm about to fall. We got some glue. What y'all got in y'all?
Here's a couple of sticks.
The boys can't even open their kit.
So they already
clearly about to
moving.
lose. And all their stuff falling out. That was ours?
Nope. That's good.
They got a light up slime kit.
Yep.
Yeah, they said it was going on.
Hey, I can't.
And this is the activator. Alright.
Take the tape off first, baby.
I guess these like the little beads you put in side
So
to
that's
side.
supposed to be sprinkles.
Oh yeah.
And then these are chocolate chips. But
Oh.
they're beads.
Oh,
That
okay,
was so
okay.
crazy.
Comment down
Alright,
below if
y'all.
y'all make slime at home. I don't know. I see this all over TikTok.
Alright, so they're trying to race us. They're already getting started. So
Oh,
let's just
okay.
get into it.
Okay, alright.
Okay, here.
So
Give me the glue.
let's mix up.
So wait,
our
we're gonna
slime.
read the directions, Peyton.
Oh yeah.
I
We
know how
never
to
did
slime.
it though.
Look, she's trying to go off fast, y'all.
It say measure 15 milliliters of white glue using the supply measuring cup.
That's
That's over there. This is the white glue.
Alright.
And then pour it in there. Bless you.
I'll do it. I made slime before.
Okay, well make sure it goes
We got
to
our
the 15.
slime scientist,
15?
so we might be good.
Do you see the 15 over there?
Oh, look,
No.
they serious.
There's no 15. There's only a
Let
20.
me see. It's over here. See?
Well, you gotta take the seal off, baby.
Okay. Put it.
Okay. So 15.
We'll let you pour it in here. We're gonna be the measurers. Here.
Put it like this.
That's almost enough.
50 cc.
Pepe don't even know. All right, first of all, I'm gonna move the camera a little closer so y'all can see better. I don't think y'all can see
Okay.
good.
Hold on, we're gonna wait. Let me smell it. When I was a kid, I used to love putting glue on my hand.
I love doing it.
You do? And then
Oh, baby!
What
Uh-oh. She wastes the glue is what happened.
Yeah. Give me a paper towel, please, Ellie.
Yeah.
way to go, baby.
No, I'm just playing. It went in my nail.
All right.
Here.
How y'all doing over there?
Y'all pretty quiet.
Yeah, pretty quiet over there.
All right. You can see.
We got
Smart me.
All right.
All right. So we wasted some. So you just got 15.
So put it in here.
Is it to 15 because we wasted some? Hold on,
Yeah.
wait. Measure cup and pour it into a bowl. So boom. So we gonna make both of ours. So babe, do it 2 times.
Do it again. This is messy, y'all. FYI.
Here, get it all out.
Oh, scrape it.
Well, I guess.
Sorry. You should do it with the spoon. It will be better.
She trying to tell me. Here
I made
again.
slime before.
All right.
It says scrape down the walls to get as much glue out as possible.
All right. So do that
And
again.
then do it right there because we making cup. We gonna make chocolate chips and sprinkles.
Oh, okay, okay. We making a chocolate chip cookie one and a sprinkles one. What y'all making?
Okay. He ain't trying to tell us. That's what it is.
We got the good slime. I have some. I have.
Try it on.
You done that
It's
right
still water
there?
in there. It's still water in there.
Now we gotta scrape it.
Scrape.
This is messy as heck.
Yeah, I don't really like mess.
All right. Now what?
Measure 30 milliliters of water, room temperature, pour it into the same bowl as glue.
All right.
So, just grab get some water, baby.
This is gonna be easy for me.
Birdie seed.
Flip it around if you don't see it.
Birdie seed.
Oh, that's at the top.
This is gonna be really easy for me. Be careful, Nelly.
Oh, it's
As
very
y'all can
messy.
see, I'm making a huge mess.
Okay. I'm gonna stir it up.
Wait, it don't say stir. See, baby, we trying to win.
Okay.
We almost done.
Boy, y'all can do that too.
Okay, so the next step says after she poured the water again, make it fun. Choose what the cookie dough slime. So add 1 to 2 spoonfuls of scented light brown coloring to the bowl with the glue and water using supplies. Also add brown fusion beads. Okay. So we're gonna make. See, ours is different. Why you got some more water in there?
I need a little more water. All right, now.
Okay, so now.
I'll get the colors.
Okay, get the colors ready. So you can do this one. It say add 1 to 2 spoonfuls of scented light brown coloring. So that's the spoon?
Yes.
Oh, okay. And then I'm gonna do the cake batter. You can do the cup chocolate chip.
Oh, let me smell.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it smells
What does
good.
it smell like?
What does it smell like, Coco?
Oh, that's not enough. Okay, so let me pour it onto the spoon. This might be messy.
Guys, you have to be careful pouring it.
That's right, Pepe.
Pour it in there.
Oh,
One more. Let me do one more.
good job, Pepe.
Thank you. Can I stir it after?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's enough.
Okay, now stir it up.
Stir. You guys want to be extra careful making slime.
That's right, Pepe. Good job.
Ooh,
Girls
see?
team doing good, y'all.
How are
You
y'all
guys
doing over there,
can you get a
Nani?
paper towel while I'm
He
stirring?
said it's looking good. Alright. Okay.
Comment down below how y'all think we doing.
Okay, so while she's doing that, let me do the it say wait.
Brown fusion beads.
Oh, hold on. Oh. Okay.
Right? You see?
Yeah.
Now you add the brown fusion beads.
Uh-huh.
I see you over here peeking, Derek. I see you peeking over at my
help?
slime.
It's some scissors. Okay, I'll help them.
Help them for now. That's a lot of brown fruit in these.
Open the door, Derek.
Okay. Stir it in. Now don't forget, you
Now
guys,
what?
when you're
Now-
pouring the activator and using,
We haven't did the activator.
but when you're using a knife, make sure to have an adult help you.
Oh,
Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and I need the spoon pay.
Okay.
Okay, my turn. So it says, add for cake batter slime, add 2 spoonfuls of yellow scented coloring. Do you think you? Okay, Nelly can pour it. I was about to say, do you think you can handle that?
Can I smell the yellow?
What is
Yeah.
it like?
This one stinks.
That kind of smells good.
It smells good.
Yes.
Team girl, y'all. We doing our thing. Right, baby?
Yes.
Pour it.
I'm trying.
Don't
Fill it up.
spill it.
I'm trying.
Come on.
Hey, you see? Do you see them yelling at me?
Cause it's
And
a
you see they
race.
team arguing, y'all?
It's a race.
The boys team is over there
It's a
getting into an
Put some
argument.
more. You're half doing it.
I'm not.
Okay, that's enough paint.
Okay.
Now give me some sprinkles.
Okay. Sprinkle time.
Now,
Okay. Wait a minute. Don't reaching over your teammate, boo.
Oh wow.
Oh, look. My team is falling apart, guys. Okay. Come on now. Let's get it going.
Gotta pour all of them like you did to me.
Yeah, that's right.
Pour, pour, pour.
Good job. High five. Don't leave me hanging.
Okay,
Mine actually looks like it can be edible.
Theirs is looking slimy.
Because they already added the act.
Oh, okay.
All right, let's speed this up.
Yeah,
y'all.
hold up.
Okay, stir a mixture of glue and water and hit it with the slime stick. Okay. Measure 5 milligrams of the activator. Get the measure cup.
Measure cup. So
Hold on, let me rinse our cup, y'all.
You guys, I'm doing my cookie. I'm gonna stir my cookie though with the activator. The cookie. Oh,
Okay.
the cookie looks actually looking really good.
I know, I'm looking.
Me too. Yeah, it's not. You guys, some slime is not edible. If it does not say edible, please don't eat it.
Please listen to our activists, our slime activists right here.
And if it said
5 milliliters?
If it does not say edible, it can be non-toxic. I can't even say it.
No, it can be toxic.
It can be toxic.
That's
Now mix it.
With the slime stick?
Yeah.
I'm gonna use this.
Use the stick. It says the stick. You
The
have
stick.
to follow direction. Give me some, baby.
Okay.
There's a lot of sticks. Ooh, it's starting to turn like slime already.
Okay, stir it up, baby.
Stir, stir, stir.
Stir, stir, stir.
Let me see. Because they trying to race.
They can't beat us.
Oh, mine's turning to slime already.
They can't touch us. They can't touch Team Girl.
Team Girl is gonna win.
Team Girl. They can't touch us, y'all. They can't mess with us, y'all. They can't touch us. Ooh. We got the slimiest slime.
Team Girl is gonna win.
Period. Okay, okay.
Yes.
So wait, y'all ready to
Now
see our
it's
slime?
saying remove it from here.
All right, y'all ready for the drum roll?
Remove it.
Team Girl.
Look at mine.
Come on, baby. We about to show to the camera. Come on.
Homie, get the ball, get the ball.
No, you take it out. Peyton didn't finish stirring hers.
Mine is stirred.
Now hers is a little
Here, baby.
Well, this is mine, though.
Peyton,
Y'all ready?
stirred
Y'all
hers.
ready? Ooh! Look at the cake batter slime.
Y'all measured wrong.
Y'all see what's up with Team Girl? We did our thug fizzle.
Yeah, y'all used
Come on.
the-
We did it. Team Girl. All right, now we gonna see what Team Boy did. Y'all ready to show them y'all slime?
Oh, it's not slime.
It got all over Coco's face. I don't know. Come on, Derek, show me your slime. What happened?
All right.
Oh, Team Boy, what happened, y'all?
Y'all gonna lose. Team Girl's gonna win.
So,
All right, y'all. So we finna help out Team
we
Boy.
gonna help out Team Boy because we love him so much. We love him
Okay,
so
but I
much.
don't know what's going on.
Y'all
with
gotta put
Peyton.
more activator in y'all slime.
Yeah.
I don't think they did the measurements right.
Oh man, they need our help. The girls always come out on top. If we don't help y'all out.
Okay.
Y'all need more
Team
activator?
Girls is definitely gonna win. Just let me help. Candace. Please.
Oh man.
Please help.
Alright, y'all,
What's going on my side?
we gonna help out Team Boy because they need our help. And we gonna see y'all next time. We love y'all, Harris Gang. Come on, y'all, say peace. 1, 2, 3, peace.
Got to do with it. do.